Also developing now, an emotional day in court after a judge rules a Cocoa police officer arrested after an hours-long standoff will not receive bond.
News 6's James Barbero tells us the Brevard County judge is giving the same ruling as the initial judge who suspended Cocoa officer Patrick Kelly.
I wish he had gotten the help that he now seeks before all this happened.
Judge Charles Crawford becomes the second Brevard County judge to order Cocoa police officer Patrick Kelly stay in jail without bond, who the Brevard Sheriff's Office says is the victim of the domestic violence call last month, testifying Kelly threatened to kill her, her son, his boss at Cocoa PD, and shoot every law enforcement officer who responded to their Viera home.
The facts are atrocious.
A prosecutor telling Judge Crawford Kelly fired hundreds of shots through the house, the victim's hand shaking as she looked through pictures from the scene.
How many times did he tell you you weren't leaving that house?
Several times.
And were you concerned that you were going to be shot as a result of it?
I was terrified. And he said, I'm going to kill every single that shows up here tonight.
The victim says Kelly locked her in their bedroom with him by tying his police vest to the door. As Kelly loaded and pointed guns at her, she says she couldn't escape the house until Kelly picked up shotgun shells he dropped on the floor.
And as horrific as this incident was, Mr. Kelly did not actually injure anyone.
The state attorney's office is filing charges including kidnapping with a firearm, which now means if he's convicted, Kelly could face life in prison. After his no bond order, the officer, who remains suspended pending his termination, looking toward his father, who was unable to persuade the judge to let Kelly live with his family. Kelly's attorney says he's in the custody of the Seminole County Jail because after being an officer in Cocoa for 15 years, Kelly knows many inmates in the Brevard Jail. In Brevard County, I'm James Barbero, getting Results News 6.